One of the things about small shirts and the Stampinator, sometimes it just doesn't work because you got the sleeves up on the seam of the seams up on the pallet. So I'm going to show you right now what we're going to do to compensate for that, and that is using the green rubber with the Stampinator set at 355, which is normally ran at 330, 335. And we're running Street Fighter white on this particular garment, and you're going to basically insert your green rubber in between your Teflon, and you're going to let it protrude out past the Stampinator just a little bit. So there you have the seams up, the collar's up, everything's on here. We got a fairly big print. So we're gonna hit our white. This is running a 230 mesh. Now we're gonna come around, we're gonna stamp this. And over here, we're stamping roughly 3 seconds. There we go, we have a nice smooth surface right over top of the seams, the collar. These here will dissipate when you go through the dryer, so don't worry about the heat mark that you get on the sleeve. Go to our website at stampinator.com and check out all the latest feed that we have going on. We have our screen print class coming up here in November. It's free. That's right, a free class for you to come out and check out exactly what we're doing. Learn about the Stampinator, maybe learn about color separations and printing from screen to press, all the things that are gonna help you become a better screen printer.